Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the new control interface that's available inside 4Designer 1.2. Now in previous version of 4Designer we added the possibility to define an array of data values that are used inside the scene so that you can send multiple types of export to an object. So I'll take this scene that I have here which shows some weather data, and if I open the control interface I can see here new exports tab. I'm just going to drag this down the bottom here so we can have a larger area available to us to work with. Let's just move this up like so. So we can see inside here the export name, the type of export that's associated with it, and the current values that are set. And I can simply add new values to this by typing in the adjacent cell. So instead of 99 for this level, I will set 50. And when I set this, it will update the data inside the scene, and you'll see that now this value is highlighted in purple to denote that this is the active value in the scene. So we can create multiple types of export inside the scene. So I can change this to, instead of March 12th, March 13, send the export and see it updated in the scene straight away. I can also send all exports to the scene immediately with a new Send All Exports button that allows me to apply all of the changes that I'm making immediately. So I think that this new way of visualizing all of the exports that are available and also the different variations of export that you want to set will really help make it much easier for designers to build and test scenes inside 4Designer without having to take the scenes into the control interface prior to production. Thank you very much for watching. If we go to the individual objects here, you can see this text, and I have a Notes tab here. So this would be a note saying presenter name. Maybe over here we would have headline text, so that any operator that's opening the scene later in another station of 4Designer, they can get into the scene and they can see the properties that have been edited for them, and they can find out additional information about the scene. If I just close this tab and go to the Open dialog, and I select my lower third, you'll see the description here as well. Now finally we have a little tag marked Finished. This allows you to mark a scene as having the work completed, so that when you're browsing for this from one of the controllers you can filter the scenes by Works in Progress and Finished Scenes. We'll also see this up here in the option Commit Scene, which allows you to mark a scene as finished. Thank you very much.